In the past few years, carrying a miniature computer called a smartphone in your pocket has become commonplace. In this video, we will show you the top 5 gadgets you can buy to supercharge your device. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. LUMZAG, the Smart Bag. These are the first gadget bags to combine security, comfort, and innovative features. They keep belongings secure, mobile devices charged, and the owner stress-free. LUMZAG bags are equipped with a number of impressive innovative features and technologically advanced solutions aimed at reducing hassle in people's lives. Wireless charger with built-in power bank to charge your phone on the go, alongside with your tablet, laptop, and any other devices. Inside light to easily find what you need when it's dark outside. Missing item reminder that keeps track of what you have in the backpack and notify when something is left behind. Back view camera to know what is going on behind. Remote anti-theft alarm and open alert will notify you when someone tries to open your backpack, and alarms when the distance between you and your backpack is above the set maximum. Real-time tracking to always know where exactly your backpack is. Wi-Fi everywhere to be connected always, regardless the accessibility of internet connection. The high-quality, ultra-modern materials were used to achieve durability, convenience, and the futuristic stylish look that differentiates LUMZAG from anything on the market, even at the first glance. The bags simply rock the look with that smooth, luxury leather, carbon fiber from Carbitex, and sleek, water-resistant YKK zippers. LUMZAG smart bags are available in 3 options: the backpack, the messenger, and the crossbody. All the 3 bags have the same above-mentioned features and neat, stylish look. The backpack is available in 3 colors: silver black, dark sapphire, and velvet wine. Bebird X17 Pro. The Bebird X17 Pro is the safest ear cleaner with soft silica gel ear spoon designed perfectly for your needs. Say goodbye to the traditional way of cotton cleaning. When the earwax starts affecting your hearing, it has reached a level called impaction. You may be more likely to develop excess wax if you use hearing aids or earplugs regularly. Older adults and people with developmental disabilities are especially at higher risks. The Bebird X17 includes 11 different accessories that offer 72 various ways of ear cleaning. With 3 different sizes of the soft ear spoons, it cleans your ear at an absolute comfort level. The accessories are durably made for several uses and are easily replaceable. The classic cotton swab is a traditional method that many people have used to clean their ears. Because you cannot see clear your ear canal, it may result in pushing the wax buildup deeper into your ear, causing blockage or severe hearing loss. The professional ear otoscope is equipped with 3 million pixels and 3.5mm lens length, which allows you to see the real-time images of tiny details inside your ear canal. The endoscope improves clarity while removing the wax residue. It also enhances the accuracy of eliminating every single buildup to make your ears wax-free. The 100% softest ear spoons are made from polycarbonate, plus high-grade silica gel materials. The Bebird Otoscope ear spoon cleaner provides a similar temperature as the human body. This feature will avoid damage or severe burn to your ear canal. The Bosma Aegis. The best way to describe Aegis is to call it an upgrade to your current door lock. The thing that makes the Aegis different is that it will allow you to retain your keys. It does this by replacing only the inner portion of your existing deadbolt. This setup is similar to both the Aegis Smart Lock and the Wise Lock, which are Aegis's 2 most prominent competitors. For those familiar with the Aegis Smart Lock, the design of the Aegis is eerily similar. It uses a similar mounting plate, a similar rotational design, a matching set of plastic inserts for the Deadbolt cam bar, and even similar packaging. But this isn't necessarily a bad thing. A broader selection of the same products often improves both quality and choice from a consumer perspective. Additionally, Aegis offers built-in door detection, which can alert you if your door has been left open. Aegis does this without the use of stick-on magnets or additional sensors. For security, Aegis sends all data via AES 128-bit encryption. This extra level of protection keeps would-be data sniffers from potentially accessing information that could lead to a break-in. The Aegis also supports both Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So if you're looking to control your smart lock with your voice, the possibility is there. You must connect the Aegis to the included gateway device. This process is simple and consists of plugging the device into a power outlet, holding down a button until the light on the gateway blinks, and then activating the lock. Again, this was straightforward. If you're looking for a smart lock that works with Apple HomeKit, the Aegis does not currently offer support. That may change in a future release, but for now, Aegis is limited to Amazon Alexa and Google Home. SkyTrek Smart Luggage. Whether you're overnight traveling by the car, plane, train, bus, or some other method of mechanized transportation that requires luggage, In our busy lives, it is easy to not think about the necessary aspect of travel until we are packing, which of course may well be too late to do anything about it. The SkyTrek is a smart luggage with a fingerprint scanner, global GPS tracker, onboard detachable power bank, and a vertical opening system. SkyTrek Smart Luggage comes with a removable power source for you to charge your electronic devices whenever you want. It comes with 5200 mAh charge and can support your SkyTrek Smart Luggage technology continuously for 11 days, standby for almost 1 month, and recharge an iPhone X completely 1.5 times. SkyTrek has 2 front pockets to let you quickly access your frequently used gear. For example, the 26-inch SkyTrek's larger bottom front pocket is suitable for up to 14-inch laptops, and the 20-inch carry-on front pocket is suitable for up to 13-inch laptops. The top small front pocket can be used to handily store passports, tickets, and documents, freeing up your clothing pockets or reducing the need to have an extra bag for such items. SkyTrek's garment hanger helps you to keep things neat and wrinkle-free. You can also hide this innovative integrated hanger by rotating it out of the way to save space when you don't need it. SkyTrek's adjustable space helps you maximize the benefits of being flexible and catering to your real demands of travel. It provides a personalized way of using your luggage and lets you customize how your interior space is used. It includes a waterproof bag for your toiletries, a padded bag to protect your electronic devices, and a regular packing bag to keep things tidy. With SkyTrek Smart Luggage, you can handily open your suitcase even when it's upright with full privacy because of the specially designed storage covers included. TimeChi. TimeChi is a productivity tool, app and device combo that helps you block physical and digital distractions by creating the perfect work environment for deep work. TimeChi is meant for individuals and teams. The app and device combo empowers you to reach your productivity potential, facilitate meaningful team collaborations, and boost creativity with a simple click on the TimeChi device. TimeChi works over Wi-Fi to notify companion apps on your phone and computer about what mode you are in. The apps listen for these signals and take the appropriate action based on your settings. For example, when the app receives the signal that a focus period has started, it will then start to mute notifications and block the list of websites you defined in your settings. When the focus period ends and a break starts, the app will then unmute and unblock those notifications and websites.